Welcome student. In this video class we shall discuss on this program that is to find a number using a linear search. Linear search would mean we're doing every indexes through every indexes we're going to search that particular element that you want. So once you get that element that you want, you just have to show that it's found in that particular index. If in this case, if suppose you're searching for 6, then your program should say something like 6 is found in the index number 3, okay, or suppose you're searching for 5, then your program should give the output as 5 is found in index 1. Okay, so it can be any element as usual, okay, any element in any size as well, okay, but linear search means we are searching one by one. Suppose if there are thousands and thousands of values as well, and if the value that you're searching is in 999 um, index, then you will have to go through 0 to that 999, okay, each element, and hence this is also called as linear search. Okay, that is, we are going through one step at a time, through every element, right? So first of all, how do we do this? Okay, first of all, as usual, we're going to ask for the elements inside the list. Okay, after we get all the elements, then we ask which element you want to search. Okay, so you can ask for the element which they are searching in the list, right? After they have entered by themselves, now you also have to always keep the error trapping here, very important, because sometimes they may forget, they may enter a number which is not there in a list. So you make sure you give the error trapping as, if suppose the number is not there, you have to give a message that after you have searched all the elements and it's not there, you simply have to say the element is not found or it's not there in the list, okay, some message. But if it is found, we are just going to give the index as well. Then how do we do this? First of all, we are going to go line by line as I've said. So that particular number that they have chosen, so if they have chosen 6, let's say they enter 6, then you just need to compare, okay, that 6 with every element in every index, okay. So 6 will be compared. Is 6 equal to 3? No. Is 6 equal to 5? No. So you just have to use the if statement, okay, and to check for equality in this way. And when 6 is equal to 6, that's when you simply have to extract the index, okay, and then you say 6 is found in index 3. Okay, now this is a program, okay, that we do. So let's start. Okay, you can change all the string, you can write something else as I've said here. So enter list, you can say enter the values in the list. Okay, then we are, as usual, we are going to find the length, because we do not know the length, okay, of the list, and it's important for the loop, so that we stop the loop as per the length of the list, right? Then after which you ask, as I've said, we're going to ask for the element that they want to search in the list. So you simply have to say enter the element to be searched for, and you use the input, and also I cast it, okay. Here I'm using eval, and here I'm using int, okay, for one value, okay, like that. Then after which they have entered that element, in that element will be stored here. So we start the loop, okay. As you can see here, I've given 0 to length, which is not necessary. As I've said, if you just give length, it will start from 0. But if you give also, there won't be any error in this way, okay. So you can omit this, or you just give this length also, right? Then next, you simply use the if statement, and you say if that element that they have entered, suppose in our example, suppose they've entered 6, then 6 is in element, stored in element. So you simply have to check for equality with each values inside the list using I. Okay, I will start from 0, then go to 1 to 2 to 3 until it comes to that length, right? After, suppose if it is equal, okay, then it's going to come to this line, okay, and then you're saying found at index I, because I will also store the indexes, because it starts from 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. Suppose when I was 3 and it is equal to that element, it means that element is inside that 3, the third index. So that's why you will say found at index I, okay. So 3 will be printed as well, right? And of course we're using break so that it comes out, because it doesn't have to go and check again. Okay, I don't want to go again check because I already found it. So I don't want the loop to start again, because loop you have set till the length, till the end. What if you find it just in the second place or the first place itself, okay, in the first index itself? So you don't have to go and check again. So that's why you just give break, you come out from the loop. But suppose if there's the element, as I've said, the error trapping, okay, but suppose this element that you have entered here, it's not there in this list that you have entered here, okay, it's not there, then this will never be true. So it's not going to be equal, nor either it's going to come here, okay. So that's why it's going to go to the else part, right? And once it comes to the else part, then remember the else for or for any loop, it will be, it will come to else part only if you have finished all the iteration. You've come to the end of the iteration loop, which means we'll go till the end. After it finishes, then it will come to the else part. But in the previous case, since you give break, okay, it will not come. Suppose if you have said found an index 3 or something, okay, you have given break and it'll come out and it's not going to go to else part. But if suppose it's not equal to, then it's going to come to the else part, and in the else part you have print not found in given list. So let's just run this program. Okay, now enter the list. Let's say I give 4, then 76, then 89, then let's say 90, then 33. Okay, so I have given 5. I can give more also. Okay, so 5, but it doesn't matter because we have used that len, okay, which will find the length of the list. Okay, so whatever size you give. Okay, now you will ask enter element to be searched for. Let's say I give 90. So when I give 90, okay, 90 is in which index? 0, 1, 2, 3. So in the third index. So when I hit the enter key, you can see 90 found at index 3. Okay, now let's run again this program and let's enter something which is not there in the list. Let's enter some other number. Okay, that's 35, then 87, then 56, then 900. Okay, and maybe I can give some more here. Okay, 23. So let's say one more. Okay, so my list now is, the length is 6, as you can see. So it varies. So but then that length will take care of this, that len function, which will give you the total length of the list. All right, then it will ask for the element to be searched for. Let's say I give something which is not there, 77. 77 is not there in this list, as you can see. We don't have 77, so the condition will be always false. It's not going to go to that line. Okay, so it goes straight to the else part, where it will print 77 not found in given list. So you can, all these strings that you can see that appears here, you can change them. You can write something else also that is more appropriate according to you. Okay, so as you can see, so this program is just basically to find the element, okay, that they want to search, and just have to give the index as well. So with this, I hope you have understood this program. Till we meet in the next video class. Thank you.